So BougeRV just gifted us this portable battery powered fan. This thing is very heavy duty. It's going to be great here in the shop or out camping or wherever you need to take it. This could even work in an office space if you wanted to. Down here it has the fan adjustment button, which is going to allow you to ramp up or down the fan. This thing puts out a lot of air movement. It's rated for 755 CFM, so that is a lot of air movement out of a small unit like this. The other nice thing about it is you have a button right here, so if you're out camping, you have two modes of a nice warm light, so it's not too bright. So again, in a tent or something like that in the hot summer sun, or we're going to take it with us when we're just out sitting around, kind of keep the mosquitoes off of us, and it's not too overwhelming. So very nice little light there. The unit is adjustable 210 degrees, so it can pivot in almost every direction. And back here it has an 18-volt removable battery, has a little indicator here on your charge status, has a C port for charging, and they give you a C port cable. Or the nice thing about it is if you're not on the go and you're in a workshop like us, they also give you a permanent power plug, which plugs in right back here, so you can just hard plug it, and then when you're on the go, use your battery. So on a job site, this is going to be great. On the back here, it also has pop-out brackets, so again, if you're on a job site, you want to hang this over some 2x4s, different positions. You can hang it from a cable. So there's a lot of different configurations here, or these just tuck away. This thing is very stout. It's very thick plastic. It's got some nice weight to it, so this thing's going to definitely take a pounding. And the runtime on this, which is the nicest feature, is 72 hours. So yeah, you don't have to charge this thing if you're out on the go for multiple days. You can run this thing all night long and not have to worry about killing your battery. The other nice thing is it has power output as well. So again, if you're out and about and you need charging ports, right here you have a C port and a USB port to keep your other items charged up, like your cell phone and so forth. So yeah, this thing is very heavy duty. If you're looking for a shop fan, office fan, camping fan, or just on a job site to move this thing around, I would definitely take a look at the BougeRV.